Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies Hafsa kitchen. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line a 9x 13-inch pan with parchment for easy removal. Melt chocolate and butter gently, then whisk in sugar until glossy and slightly thickened for shine. Add room temperature eggs one at a time, then fold in sifted flour and a pinch of salt until just combined for fudgy crumbs. Gather ingredients and measure them before you begin to keep the process smooth and calm. Use semi-sweet chocolate and unsalted butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla, flour, and a pinch of salt for classic results. Melt chocolate and butter together over low heat or in short microwave bursts, stirring between intervals to avoid burning. Cool slightly before adding eggs so they don't scramble and ruin your batter texture. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help more people discover these simple baking tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep your feet happy during long mixes and oven monitoring. I love the comfort and durability, so check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. Now let's get back to the video. After combining batter, scrape it into the prepared 9x 13-inch pan and smooth the top with a spatula for even baking. Tap the pan lightly to remove large air pockets and bake in a preheated 350 degrees F oven for roughly 20 to 25 minutes depending on your oven and pan thickness. Test with a toothpick. A few moist crumbs cling to it. Cool fully for best slices, or serve warm for gooey edges.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.